Hi, this is your market update. It is March 2025, so this is numbers from February 2025. Ada and Canyon County. Let me share my screen. Okay, so we like to look at the rolling last 12 months to try to predict the future, right? And I can see that our inventory is a little bit higher year over year. So we have 653 houses for sale. This same time last year, we had 512, so a little bit more options for buyers. And then buyers under contract went up a little bit too, 440 under contract, the same time last year, 405. So we're starting to see a little bit of progress in our market. We have a super tight seller's market, low inventory. We know that because it's 1.4 months inventory. That means if no new homes came in the market today, there's no houses for sale in 1.4 months. The average price is remaining pretty steady at 610 for all of Ada County resale. We went up 0.1% this year. And then 2 years ago, we went down a little bit. We went up a little bit last year. We saw the longest appreciation of all time. We've seen appreciation since, I think it actually started in like 2013, 2012. And here we are today. We've never seen this much appreciation ever in the history of real estate appreciation. So some people do think prices might come down. Some people do think prices might come up. I'm not here to tell you what's going to happen, but there's a couple indicators. If we start to see increase in unemployment, we might see, it might cause people to be forced to sell their house, which would cause our inventory to go up, which also could cause prices to go down a little bit. We also could see lower interest rates, but there's not a lot of economists that are very positive about that. If we do see lower interest rates, then it could cause an increase in buyers and it could cause prices to go up. And then of course we have to look out for the big three reasons that could cause a big, huge market shift, which would be a pandemic, a big recession, not a little recession, or a war. And so hopefully none of those things happen again. And then we've got Canyon County. We're at also increased inventory, 337 for sale. This time last year, 277. So more choices, about the same number of buyers under contract. Prices went up a little teeny bit already this year, 1.2%. So we're at 437 and inventory is at 1.8 months. So very similar market, just a more affordable market. And I want to point something out. If you're thinking about selling your house in any year, if it's a regular year of regular seasonality in real estate, we are going to see an increase in listings starting in January, going into the spring. So we start to see like kind of march upwards, up, all the way to the summer where we plateau, and then we go down in inventory going into the fall. What I look at for sellers, if they say, I can sell at any time, when should I list? I always say the spring is a little bit better than the summer, and here's why. And like literally April's better than May. May is better than June. It's because there's less white space in the spring. So you have less competition. There's lots of buyers in the spring. There are lots of sellers, but there's that gap gets smaller. Going into summer, that listings continue to rise, and then the buyers kind of plateau off or even go down. Buyers go camping and sellers stay on the market. So I'd say the worst time to list your house is actually August, if I'm going to choose. Otherwise, just do it whenever you need to, whenever it's the best time for you. I love looking at the markets based on your neighborhood, your needs, your life. If you have questions, if you want to look at what's happening in your neck of the woods, just send us a text at 208-869-2444. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for listening.